Hello, friends. Do you want to learn African drum? Well, you are at the right place. Let's go!
Hello everyone, my name is Emily. No, I'm Emily. Anyway, welcome to Kids African Drum course. Today we are going to teach you the first class of Ternary Improvisations. The first beat, which is the tempo beat, is 3 basses, like this. You get it? Let's play together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go! Again. 5, 6, 7, go! Our improvisation beats are 3 tones, 1 tone space, double tones, double tone space, 1 tone, and 3 tones, like this. You get it? Now let's play together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go! Again, 5, 6, 7, go! Now let's play together with the tempo beat. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go! 5, 6, 7, go! This is the end of our basic exercises. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that next time you will see our new videos. And please share with your friends and families too. Goodbye!